Hello everybody, good day. So now, since many of you guys are asking about the house renovation update, so this is it. There's a lot of improvements, guys, so I'll show you. So here, so those are the sacks of sand, and they do the mixing of cement here. Look at that. Then we cannot enter in the front door because they're doing the finishing. As you can see, look at the cement, guys. So let's go on. Ew. Ew. It was my brother. So these rocks, big rocks, guys, I will put this inside in the kitchen, so because we need to label the living area and the kitchen. So here. Uy! Kasaba, guys, kasaba. Jid! So look at here, guys. This is my room. It's already finished. Look at that. It's already done. Look at that. It's already done, guys. Yeah, it's already done. And the floor, I need to put some tiles here, but soon when the roof is done. Actually, it needs a lot of money for this, but yeah, just one step at a time. And here, that is my neighbor. He's my neighbor. Yeah, look at that. So when they finish there, they will transfer it here. It's almost done. Maybe they can finish it today, guys. Maybe. Here it's already done. Yeah, this is it, guys. Oh my god, it's almost done. For me, it's almost done. Okay, but here, this one, we need to label this part. Happy Halloween! Kasava. Hala, mukha wala na ilaing agalabre. The meats. So here, look at that. So many rocks, guys. Hopefully they can finish this in one day, so that tomorrow they will be doing the cement there in the kitchen. The cement for sari store, guys. So many kids here. Hi, kids. Hello, kids. Customer. Come on.
Yes.
Patis? Soy sauce. You want to buy some soy sauce? I'm sorry. I stopped you. Here. It's 10 pesos each. These guys from Dumaguete. Look at my niece. She's dancing. Cute, Keika. You're so cute. Yeah. And the father is the drummer. Drummer. Yay. Nagkakusog niya. Kaluyan.
Yay!
Yeah, good job. Sister, she's drawing. Let me see your drawing. Wow, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. These are my three nieces, and this one is my niece too, and that one is my niece, and these two are my nephews. Let me see your face, Rang. Napakong. Let me see your face. Yay! How are you? How are you? Good? How are you? You're good. What are you doing? Who is this? Who is this? Hmm? So my sister is here, guys. Eldest sister, guys. with the two kids. We are guys. Day. Hi. Nagbalanghoy. Nagkuan sila, nagbudbud sila. Asa may manak day? Ay dala. Hi Cobin. So these are the two kids. Kenan and Cobin. Kobe Brian? My niece and my other brother-in-law is in the kitchen. He is cooking. Stones, guys. Look at the stones. And here's my brother-in-law, guys. This one. And the other one is cooking. Look at that. He's cooking. And my sister. Hi, sister! Hi. Yes. They took off the skin. Wow! Four sisters. My sister. Hi, Day. Say hi. Boy on Inday. The first one, second one, then the third one, then the fourth. The fourth. My room. My sisters, my mother. Wow, katawa. Pangag. Ingon sana ma. What is that? Rice? Kainit kaayo jod. That guys. So many things need to work and need to be done here. Look at, there's no roof, no ceiling. No ceiling yet. And that is the room. That room. Yeah, the room, and this is my room, and a lot of things need to be done here. I think they can finish it whole day together with this one. Then tomorrow they will do this. Then by next day they will add some, maybe next day they will remove the roof. Oh my god, I don't have budget anymore for that, but laban, fighting. And this one I will remove this and move it outside. Yes, because so that the roof will not gonna be like this. It's so dark, guys. It really damaged the roof. That is my mother's idea, because before we don't have enough money for that. Yeah, we don't have money for that, but now, yeah, just one step at a time. Let's fight for this. This is my 1 week project. It's almost done. Look at that. Okay. Hala, kamang utangans mo. Sister Din. Lips naman, the red lips. Red lips. Si mother and my sister. Eh, wala ko kabaluan na to.
Ay, nag-post mo ko siya doon. Linsahan mo ko siya dapat. Kaya ini ko nagplintal. Anak ko maglubak-lubak.
Silin. Dagal video ko gahapon niya kasi sayo din na siya to pangas camera.
Ana adi ay.
They're picking the coconut, coconut, cocoa, guys. Cocoa fruits, cacao fruits. Look at that. My mother harvesting a cacao. Yes, cocoa. Remember, guys, the one you make for a chocolate and cocoa powder? It is just in front of our house. Look at that. Say hi, my nephew. Hi, ka-cutie. Our cocoa, guys. Oh, he's harvesting the cocoa. Cacao. Look at the cacao. Thank you. So, guys, we are now having lunch. We are now having lunch, guys, with the workers. So we have workers here. And mine, look at my food. Yeah. So these are people, these boys, guys, they are the one taking some rocks. Yes, there's some taking some rocks for our kitchen. Adobo. Adobo, guys. Tadi mana ma? Lagi kaun. Yes. Ah. Biniknik. Tulunin mo? Okay guys, this is how he mixed the cement. We don't have a mixer. Look at that. He's my brother. Wow. Perfect, brother. Perfect. Look at that, guys. It's almost done here in the living area. My sister. Uy, balo ka mo, ano, bahala. Init. Sunya. It's finish here, guys. Finish. Mama is doing the sweets, guys. Uy, palagsing!
Yan dala dito, dala kabutan nga giri o ka inday. Yan ang plero diri.
Nahuman ra gyud dia? Nahuman ra. Ay, ahat ang mama. Nawa, ma'am. Ay, ay.
Kaya na pud oh. Balik na sa inita diha. Gasa po. Init. Wait man. Oh, kaya naman mag-mix ko aring kuan barang ho.
Dagan ka ba no? Kaya malinda man na. Nani siya abong. Kanina po sa taas. The kids, guys, look at that. Dugang! Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Ato bang anti?
Sagot ay muson. Wala pa.
Ay, muson! Katawa ma, sige ma, kanama, katawa. Sige. Katawa mo tanan, 1, 2, 3, go!
Smile!
Katawa? Ay, kita.
Ay, wala kay bag ma. Wag ko bag ni. Katawag.
1, 2, 3.
Kagat.
Ang batang nga. Na. Oo. Ay, muna ka na.
Buto sa tayo.
Yay! Say thank you.
Thank you, Day.
Sayaw. Sayaw usa.
Okay, kawan na.
Sayaw.
Na, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So by the way, guys, these are the cement left and my cute little cat. He is 13 years old. Hello, cat. Hi. So look at this, guys. It's already finished here, and my room also is already finished, and the living area, and also there. That's the only one left. They need to make. They need to work on. Hi.